Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook delicious catfish nuggets. First, rinse your catfish thoroughly under cold running water, then pat them completely dry with paper towels. This ensures your breading sticks perfectly. Now, season your dry nuggets generously with your favorite blend of spices. A good mix includes salt, fresh black pepper, and garlic powder, creating a flavorful base for your meal. To achieve perfect breading, first prepare your wet mixture in a shallow dish using 1 cup of buttermilk and 1 large egg. In another dish, combine 2 cups of cornmeal, 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, and your extra seasonings. Dip each seasoned nugget into the wet mixture, letting any excess drip off. Then, transfer it to the dry cornmeal blend, pressing gently to create a thick, even crust. For frying, select a neutral oil with a high smoke point, like vegetable or peanut oil. Heat about 2 to 3 inches of oil in a sturdy pot or deep fryer until it reaches 350 degrees Fahrenheit. A reliable thermometer is essential to maintain this exact temperature throughout the process. Small batches of nuggets usually need to fry for about 3 to 5 minutes, ensuring even cooking and a golden brown finish. To achieve truly crispy results, never overcrowd your pot. Frying too many nuggets at once drops the oil temperature, leading to a less desirable, soggy texture. Cook only a few nuggets at a time, allowing them ample space to circulate and fry evenly. They are ready when they turn a beautiful golden brown and float to the surface. Gently remove them with a slotted spoon and let them drain on a wire rack over paper towels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.